going on here. What we are doing is changing this to black. Reason being is this is a day van, so with dogs in, this grey stuff's getting quite dirty. I'm sure it'll clean, but it's just one of those jobs, isn't it? So what I've done is bought a load of self-adhesive black stretchy fabric, and that's the first piece I've done. I need to kind of go in there and fill that in, make that nice and neat. But what I'm going to do is just leave this grey and then start doing the other bits, like this lid. I'll leave the inside bits grey. I'll do this. The reason this has changed is that there's now a gas bottle positioned in the back, like a gas locker. So I just need to kind of go through and cover these panels at the bottom, that there, the one on top, and the one on the end. It's raining a bit here, so I won't open the back. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. And then I'll also do this box section here where the heater is, again probably in black, and then yeah, that will hopefully be it. So that's the update on this kind of like kitchen unit area. What I do, I'll probably post, actually I will stop this video and then I'll finish this off, and then I'll show you the finished results afterwards. So yeah, that is it currently, with one black panel done, or one black door, and we finish this off. Alright, we're getting there. That's another one done, so that's the two. We'll do that big one next, and then we'll start looking at the smaller panels at the end and at the bottom. So yeah, I think it's looking alright. There's the other one done now. So all we got to do is that L-shaped bit and the back bit of the gas locker. So yeah, that's coming along nicely now. Probably should have done this in black to begin with. The grey, light grey, just seems to get a bit kind of grubby. So yeah, I'll continue the rest of it tomorrow.